how to tell if it's time to replace your battery on the iPhone 6. So besides from feeling that the battery is running down very quickly, for example, if you are using and you can see the percentage going down very quickly, or it lasts only a few hours, there is an actual way you can really test the battery, and you can tell if you need to replace the battery or not. Now the way to look at it is to install this battery life applications. So battery life here, tap on the battery life and just run on the left hand side here. There is a menu key, and tap on wear level. On the wear level you can look at the runtime, you can look at the raw data, and in the raw data this is what the battery has been charged at the moment, and this is the capacity. Now with the capacity, it is how much your battery can hold charge at the moment. Now initially you can see here this battery can hold charge up to 1751 milliamp, and with the wear out of the battery, it can only now hold up to a capacity of 1000 milliamp. So effectively you can see the battery is now charging up to nearly 100%, but it's only actually charging up to 1000 milliamp, not the actual full size of the battery, because the battery has worn out. Some part of the battery is now no longer can store the battery power, so that's why you can tell. And if you just go back to the wear level, it says it's very high, 43% battery wear level. That means you can only use around 57% of your battery, so it doesn't hold very long charge. Even the iPhone 5 can hold a lot more than this. So go and replace the battery. If you want to do it yourself, you can look up on one of my videos, or in the descriptions I'll show you how you can replace the iPhone 6 battery yourself. If you're not too technical, then you can go to the repair shops and get them replace a new battery for you, and that way you can it can last you a lot longer, maybe even the whole day, depending on your usage. Otherwise, you can see the battery here is not working correctly. Sometimes it may stay at 98%, and then suddenly it may drop down to 80, 70, 50, and then it just turn off by itself. So that's what happened with this battery, and how you can find out if it's time to replace your battery. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.